Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will demonstrate a real-time use case of Python dictionary. Suppose we have been given one Excel file, okay, and there are multiple sheets, okay. As you can see, there are four sheets, okay. Now, what I want to read all the sheets in Pandas, and I want to do some operation, okay. So let's assume ki concat operation or merge operation, okay, based on real-time scenario, okay. So what I will do, I will save the uh, data, save the data of each sheet in a Python dictionary. So the thing is, we will read the Excel file and return a dictionary, okay, in which the sheet name will be keys and the corresponding Excel value, okay, the corresponding Excel value in a particular sheet name will be stored as data frame, okay, and that will be as values, okay. So the thing is, this is the example, okay. So this is the sheet name January, okay. There are multiple columns and rows, okay, and there is this another sheet name February, okay. So what we can do, we can save that in this format, okay. So we can just name it as anything. Okay, so the result dict is a dictionary in which the sheet name will be uh, in which the keys will be sheet name and the corresponding data will be stored as the data frame. Okay, so in this way we can use this dictionary in functional approach or oops approach, है ना? So let's quickly go to the pandas coding and then we will look what we can do. Okay, I think थोड़ा सा clear हो गया होगा. So we will jump into the coding part. So it's just a simple example of simple dictionary in which uh, the keys and values are stored. Okay, I will just okay. Now the thing is, so this is just simple dictionary. So what I have done, I have already written the code. You know, this is just a code in which it will read the data, read the Excel file, and it will return a dictionary in which the sheet name will be keys and the corresponding Excel data as values. So I will just demonstrate what I have written. So uh, सबसे पहले I have imported the pandas and then we at pd.excel file we have to give some path and it will store it will give the IO path, you know, and then we can uh, get all the sheet name, okay, and we are just looping we will just like I am just using a for loop in which I am passing all the data as a data frame and corresponding sheet name, है ना. तो आई थिंक ये फंक्शनल यूज मैंने चला दिया and we'll just give a path in which I have like information. There is this uh, Excel file, so it will just show what whatever there are four sheets, okay. January, February, employee and department, there were four sheets and it will give all the इंफॉर्मेशन कि कितने रोज एंड कितने कॉलम्स है, कितने शीट्स इन्होंने रीड लाइक पांडास ने रीड किया. तो इस फंक्शन में एक ऐसा ही छोटा सा ऑपरेशन फंक्शनल अप्रोच अपनाया है. ओके, नाउ वी विल जस्ट रिट्रीव शो व्हाट आर द कीज. ओके, सो हम पाइथन डिक्शनरी में डॉट कीज करके हम देख सकते हैं कि व्हाट आर द कीज. ओके, एंड वी कैन ऑल्सो सी द होल डिक्शनरी. ओके, सी January is the key and this is the corresponding value. February is the keys and this is the corresponding value and so on for employee and for department. Okay. Now we will see the type of value. Okay. I just use a for loop in which I am just checking the type of values, whether the values is a data frame or not. Okay. So as you can see, this is these are data frame. Okay. January data frame, February and so on. Okay. Now I will just as you can like as you all know कि हम a dictionary में we can just use this kind of approach to get the data And always use copy, guys, to store the data. Okay, so just jan details will show the data frame. Okay, so it will just this is same as whatever it is appearing here. Okay, now the February data frame, and we can just now whatever operation we want to do, we can do that. And we have to just pass all the dictionary, and we can like make some kind of copy, and we can do some operation. So it's just a small operation, concat operation, for January and February details, the sales details. So what it will do, it will I have passed the dictionary, so I am passing the result underscore dict here, and I am just checking the data. So it's just the concat operation x row wise I have written for this code. Okay, so this is it. I have also there is another example in which there are two tables, you know, to that Excel sheet. One was the employee data and the other was the department data. Okay, so employee data is this and department data is this. And let's assume I want to assign the rank to each employee based on their salary within each department. Okay, so this is same as using the partition by department or order by salary descending in SQL. Okay, if you are familiar with Excel, sorry, SQL and Pandas, so this is kind of same. And if you're appearing in any interview in Pandas and SQL, so there is high probability that interviewer might ask you to solve via both language. Okay, so it's just I have written one small code and I'm passing again the dictionary, and I am making a data frame of employee details and department details, and here I am merging the data based on department ID. So uh, here in employee table we have depth ID, and in department table we have the department ID. So this is different. If the column are different, then we have to assign left on and right on. Okay, I am just using the left join. Okay, and then I am again assigning rank within each department, so I have to group by department and order by salary descending. So this we can assign the rank same as SQL, and here also we have different kind of method, and I just use the dense method. Okay, if there are same salary within each department, so it will assign the same rank to those employee. Okay, and I am just sorting the value based on department and salary, department ascending and salary descending. Okay, so we will just run this code and check the data. Okay, so in sales department, we have the Mark Davis, which has the 72K salary, and it assigned the ranking 1. So it will assign the rank in float type. So what we can do, uh, we can use the S type method, and we will use the int type. Okay, so it will convert into int type, and this is it. So sales department where we have the Mark Davis on rank 1, and again in department 2 we have the एमा एमा हॉल. ओके, सो एमा हॉल को इन्होंने ये फर्स्ट रैंक असाइन कर दिया, एंड सो ऑन. ओके, सो इफ वी वांट टू डू सम अदर ऑपरेशन, और लेट्स अज्यूम कि रैंक वन का ही डेटा मुझे चाहिए, तो यूजिंग द क्वेरी मेथड और the boolean indexing method, we can get the required data, and we will just return the final data frame. Okay, so I think this is clear. So the agenda was okay, we can use the Excel sheet, different kind of Excel sheet. We can save the data in dictionary form. Okay. So thank you guys. If you have any question, to do comment. We will discuss there. Thank you.